Assalamualaikum, my dearest kids of class 2. Today we are going to start with the checkup time of our book. So go and grab your book because we are going to start with the grammar work of this chapter. So take out page number 72 and the exercise is C. My dear students, here you can see we have to match the rhyming words with from these to these. Okay, we have to match the rhyming word of shirt over here so that we can do it in our grammar copy as well. Shirt, what will be the rhyming word of shirt? Hurt, right? Because the sound of both the words are similar. Then bean, green, late, wait, be, see, her, fur, stay, Wednesday. So you can see, my dear students, what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are those words whose ending sounds are similar. So you can see all the words which we have matched have the similar ending sounds. So the next exercise is on page number 72 and the exercise is D. My dear students, here we have some singular words which we have to do the plural verb. We have to make out the plural of these singulars, right? We have done this in the exercise of different chapters. First one is mouse. When we have only one mouse, we call it mouse, but we have more than one, we call it as mice. Then tooth, teeth, child, children, boy, boys, sock, socks, foot, feet. My dear students, you can see not all plurals end with S, right? We have sometimes changed the whole word. Like here, first mouse, plural will not be mouses, it will be mice. The whole word is changing. But here, boy plural will be boys, right? Because here the whole word is not changing, we are only adding s. So we have two types of plural forms in which the whole word is changed and the other one in which we only have to add an alphabet to make it in a plural form. The next exercise will be of your text copy, my dear students. So now take out your text copy and let's start with the exercise number E, which is on page number 72. Here you can see we have some pictures below the paragraph and we have to add these words given in the box in the blanks, right? We just have to fill this blank by seeing the picture, right? So the first one is the girl with curly hair. What's the spelling of girl? G-I-R-L, girl, right? So we will pick out these alphabet in the box. The girl with curly, you can see her here, it's curly. So what's the spelling of curly? C-U-R-L-Y. Curly hair is eating her, what is she eating? She is having dinner, right? Then she is having what is she having? She is having a burger, right? B-U-R-G-E-R, burger. And what do we have beside the burger? We have chips in the picture. Oh dear, she has got some tomato sauce on her shirt. It's dirty now. You can see she has some tomato sauce on her shirt and now her shirt is dirty, right? In the similar one, we have the next paragraph in which we have a boy named Jacob and we have to fill in the blanks regarding this picture over here. So let's start. Jacob saw some sheep which were sleeping under the trees. Here some sheep are sleeping under the trees. Be careful, he shouted. There are 3 wolves behind the leaves. They want to eat you up. Here the Jacob shouted to the sheep that there are wolves, right? So as you all can see, we have chose these alphabets from the box and put it in the blanks to fill up the word. The third one is also the similar one. We again have to see the picture over here and then fill the blanks according to this box. Then you can see it is raining outside. It was raining on Saturday, so Fiza stayed. Here we got this from this box, stayed in the house. She and Ali played a computer game. Now here you can see, my dear students, here we have AI, AY and then A-E. In the center we have to put an alphabet from our choice. So we are going to add M over here to complete the word, right? So let's move forward. They also made. You can again see, my dear students, we have add again apologies. We have add D over here, A-D-E. By picking this one, we have add one alphabet of our own to complete the word. They also made a big picture of what? You can see there is a big picture of a snail. So what's the spelling of snail? S-N-A-I-L. We have put this AI in this word to complete the word. That's all for this exercise. The next exercise is on again page number 73 and exercise is G. Now my dear students, you have all completed the previous exercise. This exercise is related to that one by getting the answer from the paragraph 2 and paragraph 3 of the last exercise. So let's start. First one is, what did he shouted? Here we are talking about Jacob. What did he shouted? He shouted, be careful to the wolves, right? Then, where did Fiza stay on Saturday? When it was raining, where was Fiza? She was staying in the house. So the answer will be Fiza stayed in the house. The third one is, what did she and Ali play? They played a computer game, right? What did they make? At the end, we all saw that they made a big picture of a snail. So the answer will be, they made a big picture of a snail. Right, my dear students? So we have completed the exercise which will be done in the grammar copies and the text copies as well. So that's all for the checkup time of the exercise related to the previous lesson. And this was the end of today's lesson. Hope to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.